In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and use the MaxAI browser extension for quick AI help while you browse the web. We're going to walk through the full process from installation to actually using the tool on a web page so you can start getting help with reading, writing, and understanding content directly inside your browser. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure Chrome is fully loaded and that you're connected to the internet, since you'll need access to the extension store. Once Chrome is open, head over to the Chrome Web Store. This is the official place where you can find and install browser extensions safely. When you're in the Chrome Web Store, use the search bar to look for MaxAI Dummy. Be careful to select the correct extension from the results so you install the intended tool. Once you find it, click the button that says Add to Chrome. Chrome may show you a small pop-up asking you to confirm the installation and review what permissions the extension needs. Read through that, then continue with the installation. After the extension is added, the next thing you'll want to do is pin it to your browser toolbar. This makes it much easier to access whenever you need it without having to search through your installed extensions later. Look for the extensions icon near the top right area of Chrome. Open that menu and pin MaxAI so it stays visible on your toolbar. Now that the extension is installed and easy to reach, open any web page where you want AI assistance. This could be an article, a document, a page with information you want to understand better, or even content you want help rewriting. The main idea is that you use the extension while viewing the text you're working with. Once you're on the page, open MaxAI and use it for the task you need. Depending on what you're trying to do, you can ask it to summarize content, rewrite text in a clearer way, translate it into another language, explain difficult sections, or help draft text based on what you're reading. This can save time and make online work much more efficient. Before you copy, share, or rely on the AI-generated result, take a moment to review the output carefully. This is important because AI can be helpful, but you still want to make sure the response is accurate, appropriate, and matches your intent. That's it. Once you've gone through this once, using MaxAI in Chrome becomes a quick and simple part of your everyday browsing workflow.